Hello everyone, my name is Luz Florido. I am a student of foreign languages with emphasis in English. And I would like to answer the question of my first activity. And the first question was, what's the longest you have gone without sleep? Okay, this is a serious problem because not being able to sleep seriously affect my health. I stayed up to three days with sleepless nights. I have a sleep disorder, and so I have to take medicines. This gave me a severe headache. I felt bad-tempered, focused, and really very tired. Everything bothered me, and I got to feel anxiety and sadness. This problem it was um, really serious. It was necessary to take an appointment with the doctor, and he prescribed me prescribed me new medicines and new medication, and everything was important for me. I should to tell you that it was a very bad experience, uh, and you had to take care of your health and try to have a good rest, sleeping enough, and to be active but calm. Thank you. That's it.